Before the advent of electronic computers, NASA employed a group of brilliant mathematicians known as human computers. The popular myth that NASA spent millions of dollars to develop a special space pen that could write in zero gravity, while the Soviet Union used pencils, is not entirely accurate. NASA developed the quiet supersonic technology Quest project to create a new aircraft design called the X-59 Quest. NASA has been conducting experiments on space gardening since the early days of space travel. On board both Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft, there are golden records that contain a selection of sounds and images representing life and culture on Earth. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Write what you would like to see next, and have a peaceful sky.